How to check someone's location on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can check someone's location on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to check someone's location on your iPhone, it is actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is, now this really depends upon whether or not you've added other people to your Find My, because on iOS we already have an application called Find My by default. If you've added, let's say, your friends and your family right into your place over here, you should be able to find them as to where they currently are if they have the location services enabled. So remember that if they have Wi-Fi and are connected to internet and have location services enabled, you'll be able to see where they currently are. This only actually works, however, if you have added them. So if you want to add more people here, you can tap the plus icon here. You can choose to share your location, add max of accessory, air tag, or whatever else you prefer over here. Depending upon whoever you want to add, you can simply select those people and then add them to your list, as you would be able to find them. Similarly, aside from people, you can also search for the devices that you have basically added. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically find and check someone's location on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.